Is my septic tank full? Here's the real deal you gotta know so you don't freak out when it looks like it's always full. Okay, so your septic tank isn't like a gas tank you just fill up and then it's empty. It's always got some water in it because every time you flush, water flows in, waste gets trapped, and water flows out to your drain field. That means the tank will look full literally all the time. But that's just how it works. If it's been 2 months since you pumped it, chill, it's probably not clogged or anything yet. One thing though, if it's super wet outside from rain or snow, try not to use too much water inside like extra showers or laundry, because your drain field can get too soggy and then stuff backs up into your house. Usually you want to get your tank pumped every 3 to 5 years depending on how many people live there and what kind of toilet paper you use. Thinner paper breaks down better for septic systems. The system works by displacing gallons in and gallons out. So if your tank is about 1,150 gallons and your family uses around 300 gallons a day, it fills back up fast, like within a week after pumping. But what really matters is the buildup of solid waste inside, not just the water level you see. Pros check fullness with a special stick that measures the sludge and scum layers inside to know when it's time to pump again. One of the biggest mistakes people make with septic tanks is thinking the tank should ever be empty. That water level is normal and necessary for it to work right. Another common problem is overusing water when the ground is saturated from rain or snow, which can cause backups because the drain field can't soak up more liquid. Lastly, people often ignore what kind of toilet paper they use. Thick or quilted paper doesn't break down well and clogs the system faster. Fix these by understanding your septic's normal water level, cutting back on water use during wet weather, and switching to septic-safe toilet paper. These simple changes keep your system running longer and save you from expensive repairs. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who know their stuff about septic systems and other home projects. For contractors, it's a solid way to connect with people looking for help so they can grow their business without hassle.